We're often asked, what drill should I use with my Drillbrush power scrubber? Drillbrush fits in any cordless drill, so it's mostly down to personal preference, but some drills are better for certain cleaning tasks than others. The standard adjustable chuck cordless drill is a common choice for Drillbrush users. In fact, you may have one of these in your house already. These drills are versatile and work well with all of our quick change brushes. For a lighter drill with more power, why not try an impact driver? These do not have an adjustable chuck, but they're high-powered for particularly stubborn stains, and their smaller stature makes them a bit easier to handle than their adjustable counterparts. Close quarters drills work great with our flat brushes. These drills have an adjustable chuck like regular drills, but have a design that allows you to get into some really tight spaces or have two-handed control out in the open. These drills are great for tile floors and carpets, as well as those awkward spaces that would be difficult for other drills. Our threaded brushes weren't designed for drills at all. These go in oscillatory polishers. Instead of spinning the brush, these machines scrub in little circles similar to how you might scrub by hand. These clean similar to a close quarters drill on large surfaces, but are more heavy duty. Our industrial grade 7-inch brushes are made specifically for variable speed polishers. Pro cleaners and hardcore DIYers may need something a bit tougher than the standard drill brush lineup, and they're who we had in mind when we designed these brushes. Variable speed polishers have enough torque to power through tough grime on large surfaces like carpets, tile floors, and industrial flooring. There are plenty of devices you can use, but there are some that you should not use with a drill brush. Corded drills may hit RPMs too high for standard brushes, and the higher voltage in a corded drill can pose a shock hazard around cleaning liquids. Do not use drill brush in a corded drill. Similarly, you shouldn't use our 7-inch brushes in high RPM devices like grinders. These brushes are tough, but grinders exceed the limits of the plastic block. Do not use drill brush in a grinder. If you still have questions on which drill best fits your cleaning application, contact one of our Drillbrush representatives for recommendations. Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This video is a part of our tips and tricks series for our Drillbrush demo page. If you want to see all the videos in this series, we have a link to the page in the description below. And all the videos will be in a playlist here. Thank you for watching, and happy scrubbing!